As a broker, are you sure you're asking all the right questions when speaking with your customers and carriers? Well, in this video, we'll dive into the essential inquiries that should be made to secure the appropriate trailer for your customers, as well as explore the necessary compliance measures to implement when evaluating new carrier partnerships. Truckload brokers play a pivotal role in facilitating the connection between customers and carriers for the transportation of goods. To ensure a streamlined and effective process, brokers must establish a clear and comprehensive qualification procedure for both the customers and the carriers. While many customers believe they have a firm grasp on their shipment requirements, a thorough qualification process could unveil alternative methods of transporting their goods, potentially leading to cost savings. The first step is the customer's load and service assessment. We need to understand the nitty-gritty details such as the type of commodity being shipped, dimensions, and total weight. Even when customers are confident about their needs, this information can help us determine the most suitable equipment. Next, we need to always dig deep to identify specific requirements and service level expectations. Do they need temperature control, hazmat handling, tarps, or expedited transit with a team drive? These details matter. Now, let's talk finances. A thorough financial assessment is crucial. We want to evaluate the customer's credit worthiness because slow-paying customers could affect how you pay your carriers. Plus, this may help avoid the risk of scam shipments. To check financial assessment, you can turn to factoring companies, lead generation systems, or reporting agencies like Dun & Bradstreet, BBB, and Sonia, as well as TransCredit. You can also take it a step further by requesting references from both the carriers that they've worked with and accounts payable contacts. Moving on, let's emphasize the importance of qualifying your carrier partners. This step ensures legal compliance, can reduce the risk of double brokering, and even possibly minimize drop shipments. The initial screening is crucial. Start by obtaining an up-to-date carrier packet. This packet helps verify legal compliance, including insurance authority and their licenses. For insurance, make sure the carrier adds you or your customer as a certificate holder. If possible, request to receive this directly from the insurance company instead of the carrier. This method ensures you have an authentic, up-to-date certificate. Now, let's talk coverage and equipment capacity. Ensure the carriers can provide you with essential information like the driver's name, driver's phone number, along with truck and trailer number. It's all about maximizing visibility, especially if you or the carrier lack tracking systems that can keep you updated throughout the course of the shipment. Another thing I like to do is to thoroughly assess the truck's location, especially when there is a drop-off schedule prior to my pickup. This, combined with checking the remaining hours of the driver, demonstrates to the carriers that I'm well versed in this industry and that I take meticulous steps to ensure their availability and that I have specific expectation of carriers when handling my loads. In conclusion, the significance of a rigorous customer and carrier qualification process when it comes to truckload cannot be overstated. Brokers serve as the vital bridge between customers and carriers in the complex world of freight transportation. Establishing a clear and thorough qualification procedure is the key to a successful and efficient operation. By scrutinizing customer requirements and their financial stability, brokers can meet and exceed their expectation, as well as potentially uncover more cost-effective solutions. Simultaneously, scrutinizing carriers ensure compliance, reducing risks like double brokering and drop shipments, fostering a network of dependable partners. As always, we thank you for joining us. If you like this content and you haven't done so already, check out our last video where we review truckload market strategies. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.